If you're suffering from hair loss, thin edges, and you want to grow your hair, try any of my recipe from my channel. Hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video to watch. Please kindly subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. So in today's video, we are going to be making a hair shampoo that's going to help you to get rid of itchy scalp and build up. Please watch the video to the end. Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today we are going to be making a DIY shampoo for hair growth and cleaning of our scalp. So this is the original black soap. Okay, this one is not refined, is the original one, like the raw one. I got this from the market and I want to make black soap because mine is finished. Then I'm going to be using rosemary. Okay, so I'm not adding any other thing, this is just only rosemary. So in a nutshell, I'm doing a rosemary shampoo for hair growth. Okay, rosemary has amazing benefits for your hair. Okay, it stimulates hair growth, it stops hair loss, it grows out any place you have bald spot, it treats itchy scalp. So I'm also going to be adding a few oils inside so that our hair, as we are washing our hair, we don't strip our hair from dryness. Okay, so this oil is going to help us to moisturize our scalp. So I'm using pure almond oil. I'm using this particular one, which is coconut oil, pure 100% pure coconut oil. Okay, then after this I'll also be using my olive oil as well. So I'll showing you guys the measurements I'm using for today's recipe. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Here I created a lot of amazing content that's going to help you to grow your hair. So I'm also going to be adding Jamaica black castor oil. This one is the extra dark. Okay, so this is really amazing for hair growth. So in a bowl like this or in a jar, we need a jar like this. I'll be adding in all my ingredients inside here. First of all, I want to infuse our rosemary. So I'm going to be using a tablespoon of rosemary. Okay, so found out that everything I used all of them, so all the rosemary I show you guys initially is a tablespoon. So I'm going to be adding in hot water and I'll allow this to infuse for 8 hours so that we can get in our rosemary water. Okay, so we're going to be adding the rosemary water into the shampoo. So here I want to dissolve the shampoo, so I'm going to be boiling the shampoo quantity. Okay, so I did not use all of this on my hair, so I boiled the ones I want, then the remaining one I can use it for another recipe. As I said earlier on, this is a fresh black soap. So I just added water for it to dissolve. Okay, I allowed this to dissolve for 8 hours as well, as my rosemary is infusing, so as this one was dissolving too. So I want this to be in a liquid form. So guys, after a few hours, this is what we have. Everything has dissolved, so I'm going to be adding in my rosemary water. Okay, the rosemary water too has already infused, so add your rosemary water inside the black soap. Okay, so when you are doing this black soap, don't add much water because of the rosemary water, so you don't over have too much watery shampoo. Yeah, so after that I'm adding in my Jamaica castor oil inside. I'm using a teaspoon for each of the oils. All right, the oils is going to help you to leave your hair, your scalp being moisturized. Okay, so that the hair does not dry out. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please give the video a huge and massive thumbs up. subscribe to the channel if you have not, share a beautiful comment. You can use this on your wash day. I use this to wash my hair. My hair felt super clean and super fresh. So guys, I hope this recipe helps you out as it did to my hair as well. So I mix everything together, and after mixing we are done. It's just simple. It's not a complicated shampoo to do. I prefer this natural shampoo than the normal shampoo. Okay, so this is not going to strip your hair from your natural oils or make your hair dry out. No, this one is not going to do that to your hair. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I have done a couple of shampoos in the channel. You can do what to check out anyone that suits your hair, and you see amazing results. So note, this shampoo is really foamy, like really foamy. So here's the batch of shampoo I have. I have one container like this and another half. Okay, so I have like one over 1.5 bottle of shampoo, and this can serve me for maybe 2 months or 3 months, depending on how often I wash my hair. A little goes a long way. So this is me washing my hair. I just finished my workout and I decided to wash my hair and show you guys how foamy this shampoo is. Like, a little goes a long way. So this is me trying to wash the hair. I'm using my hand. If you have your scalp massager, you can use it to wash your hair, but this is very foamy. See, just a little I used, and this is the foam I have. Like super foamy, and it's going to clarify your scalp and also moisturize your scalp. The moisture is coming from the oil. Okay, so this is how foamy it is. It's so foamy, guys. So I hope you try this recipe as well. The benefit is really good. It's going to moisturize and clarify and also help in terms of hair growth because of the rosemary and the oils we use. Okay, so growing our natural hair takes a long way. Okay, but consistency is the key. You have to be consistent with your routine. Okay, your wash day routine, especially your wash day routine, what you use on your hair, what you apply on your head, your oils, your teas, your butter, you know, those are the things that helps our hair to grow. And also another thing again that will help our hair to grow is what we eat, the food we take, the water we drink. All these things are essential for hair growth. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Tell me your thoughts in the comment section. Please subscribe if you have not, shared with comment. This is me after I finished washing my hair. My hair felt so clean. So guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.